Hello and welcome aboard the Nexus. Today we are doing issue 11. We're doing stage 39, which is this lot just here. We've also got to grab some other parts as well, but let's get going. Okay, so these are all the pieces that we get. We're going to be fitting this and these parts here. So we're going to be working on the Cobra neck and this saucer section as well. So I've got that ready. We're also going to need this panel we got in stage 31. It was a while ago now. So yeah, we need that as well because we're actually going to be fitting both parts to the saucer section. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to grab our pieces that we've had already for the star drive section, and we are going to so the first thing we're going to do is grab the wires here, which are at the bottom here. So we've got these two here. We've got one at the top, one in the bottom section. We need the bottom section one. And we need just double checking what we're going to need. Okay, so we need both the blue wires from each one. So the top one here, well, that one's going to fit just in the top here, like so. And this one is going to fit in the bottom section, like so, leaving the two. So when that comes to being put on, that will go like that. So we're going to attach some CP screws. Let's get them ready. Let's do the bottom one. There's three little screws here that we need. Let's do this one first. That's that one done. There we go. The next one in here, like so. And then next one in here. Now what we're going to do is turn the light on. So let me turn these lights off. And there is a bit of light coming through because I'm recording this during the day, but so we only got one panel to do now, and then we've effectively done this. So at some point there'll be another panel that goes along here, and then we'll be able to put it in here. So keep that. Hang on a sec, let me turn these lights back on. There we go. So keep that safe, somewhere safe, and you can't, it won't get scratched or anything. We'll be coming back to that at a later stage. So what we're going to do now is we're going to be putting our skate pods and the lights in both of these sections, and I'm going to grab the saucer section. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now, and the saucer section, and then we'll have a look. Okay, so as you can see, we've got U207 and U208 just here. So I've gone ahead and already done them. So what we need to do now is turn over our saucer section. So the bits we're going to be attaching, so U207 will follow this one, so this is U206, so we're going to be placing this one just here. Now the lights that we're going to be using, okay, so the lights that we've got off of this 2 panels here, and that is for U208. So what we need to do now is we need to grab this light here. So this one that we attached just here is going to sit on there, like so. So that will sit up there. And then this one here, that was all the way over there, that runs to this one here. That is going to sit under this panel here. And then we're going to attach U207 to it. So I'm going to do that now. Okay, so we've done that first panel, which is just there. I'm going to try and get it up so you can have a little look. This panel just here. And if we flip it round, you can see where we've done that. So that sits just there. So our next panel, which is U208, that is going to sit along here. But the first thing we've got to do is put our wire in. So the wire that we got with this issue is just here. And what we are going to do, we're going to take it through this lot, this end piece just here. And we've got the black and yellow, that's going to sit here. Just in there. And the blue and red is going to sit in just there. And then just like before, we're going to use EM screws to attach it to the plastic section and BM screws to attach it to the frame here. Then we're going to test the lights out. So that's what we're going to do now. Okay, so there we are. We've just attached this one just here. So at this point we should have 3 wires coming off of this, which we do. There's the other ones here, which I'm going to use a cable tie just to sort of gather these just here. So that's this lot here. Just to sort of gather those bits together. So we've got these 3 here, which we're going to test in a minute. Let's just take a little look. So we've done these 2 upper panels here, as you can see. I'll flip it over so you can see the 2 panels that we've added. So the saucer section itself is coming on really nicely. So what I've got to do now is test the lights here. So let's plug them in. There's one. Don't like plugging them in fully, that's the problem. There's one. There's one. There's 2. Yep. And 3. So the panels that we want lit up is this one here, because this one is attached to the board already. And we know the lights already work for that one. So let's turn off all the lights. And we can see it lit up. And it looks perfect. So yeah, I'm happy with that. And yeah, it looks fine to me. You can be the judge, but I think that looks alright. It's weird as well how it dims when it's in a different position, which is cool. Okay, so that's where we're at. Okay, and that is it for stage 39, and it's becoming really nice now. Look at that. I know I'm far away, but you can sort of gauge the size of this already, and we've obviously got the bottoms to do and a lot of other stuff, but it looks like for the time being we're concentrating on the saucer section here. which is nice. So we've now been adding panels here, I should say, just here, and then we're going to add more panels, I would imagine, going along. But that's where we are at stage 39. As always, thank you for supporting the channel. Click like, subscribe and comment, and as always, we'll see you at the next video. So take it easy, guys. See you later.